Aladin and Lamb Spirit.
Finally, I got the lamp.
When Aladin rubbed the lamp spirit appeared.
I will grant you 3 wishes.
My first wish is...
Aladin, my son! Can you move the laundry to the dryer when it's done?
Ta-da! Your first wish is granted. I've got the Bespoke AI Laundry Combo. No need to transfer laundry from washer to dryer.
Oh, then my second wish is...
Aladin, when drying is done, can you open the door, please?
Ta-da! Your second wish is granted. It even opens the door automatically.
Oh! I gotta save my final wish.
Aladin, laundry!
Worry-free life, forever.
From now on, Bespoke AI Laundry Combo will take care of all your laundry.
Aladin's newfound freedom, unlocked by Bespoke AI Laundry Combo. Enabling better living. Bespoke AI.